Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shaikh Saiful Islam, and today we're diving into a fascinating topic that every business professional should have in their toolkit: English idioms. You might be thinking, why do I need idioms for business? Well, let me tell you, idioms are like secret sauces that can spice up your communication, enhance your presentations, and connect you with colleagues from different backgrounds. So, let's get started. Idiom number 1, get the ball rolling. This one is a classic. It means to start something, especially a project or a task. For instance, you could say, let's get the ball rolling on the quarterly report. It's a great way to encourage action and motivate your team. Imagine opening a meeting with, "Okay team, let's get the ball rolling." It sets a proactive tone right from the get-go. Idiom number 2, think outside the box. When it comes to problem solving, this idiom is gold. It encourages creativity and innovative thinking. You might say, to find the best solution, we need to think outside the box. This tells your team that you're open to unconventional ideas, which can lead to breakthrough solutions. Idiom number 3, hit the ground running. This means to start something energetically and successfully from the beginning. For instance, I want everyone to hit the ground running with this new client. Idiom number 4, get your ducks in a row. This idiom means to get organized and prepare properly before moving forward with a task. You might say, before we launch, let's make sure we get our ducks in a row. It emphasizes the importance of preparation and planning, key elements in any business endeavor. Idiom number 5, cut to the chase. This means to get to the point quickly. You might say, let's cut to the chase, what's the bottom line? Idiom number 6, on the same page. This means to be thinking in a similar fashion, to have the same amount of knowledge, or to have the same kind of understanding about a situation as others do. Example of use: before we make any decisions today, I'd like to make sure that everyone is on the same page. Idiom number 7, keep it short and sweet. This refers to delivering concise and impactful information. Idiom number 8, burn the midnight oil. Lastly, this idiom refers to working late into the night. For example, I had to burn the midnight oil to finish that presentation. While it can indicate dedication, remember to balance your work life to avoid burnout. Practice and familiarize yourself with common idioms to enhance your professional communication skills. So, there you have it, 8 powerful idioms for business professionals. By incorporating these phrases into your conversations, you'll not only enhance your communication skills, but also show that you're well-versed in the business lingo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future tips. And let me know in the comments below if there are other idioms you use or would like to learn about. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next video.